There are a variety of different ways that golf clubs can be made. For custom builds, a forging process is often used, but today we are going to focus on investment casting, which is better suited for mass production. Investment casting is used when making small, accurate castings with a mold formed around a pattern of wax. The head of the golf club is formed through investment casting. A wax mold is created by pouring molten wax into the metal die cavity and allowing it to harden. The mold is removed and the excess wax is cut off. This newly formed mold is used as a base for the shape of the golf club head.
From this point, multiple wax formations are attached to a wax runner. This wax mold of all of the club heads is then dipped into liquid ceramic material multiple times with a shower of silica sand between each layer. The ceramic and sand harden to form a casting mold around the wax. At this point, the wax is melted out of the hardened mold. The molds are then placed in a furnace to fire the ceramic and vaporize any excess wax. The firing process allows the ceramic molds to be strong enough to withstand molten metal. During the pouring process, the metal must flow at a consistent rate to prevent the formation of air bubbles. Molten metal is then poured into the hot ceramic mold to form the golf club head.
After the metal hardens, the ceramic cast is broken away to reveal the casted part. Next, the gates and runners are sanded off to separate the individual pieces and form the final shape of the club head. The newly molded club heads are then sent through a sandblaster, which give the heads a particular finish. The sandblaster cleans the surface of the metal with a jet of sand driven by compressed air to give it a finished look and feel. Finally, the head is combined with the shaft using epoxy to form the completely assembled golf club. The club is now ready to be customized in many ways to fit the player's specifications and preferences.